I am not going to sing Apple Pen, but I would like to ask you a critical question that you may ignore from your daily life. Did you realize most people prefer to go and stay in the beach whenever they feel sad or with a relationship broken? Do you know there is a reason behind? Guess what? If you guess it correct, I will get you a coupon for coffee and enjoy together in the beach. So my friend, definitely knowing I am going to post a video again this week. Correct, it will be released soon. Ha 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 ha. I would like to sing a song first. Oh, my love, my darling, my hunger for your touch.